I think it's just important that we stand up for everybody here.
Continuing to protect those who can't protect themselves. That's why Metro Vancouver's Daryl De La Cruz started this petition, urging the province to keep masking on transit as public health is set to announce Thursday the next steps in easing BC's COVID-19 restrictions. And if BC follows other regions, that will include mask mandates.
We still don't have full vaccination coverage. Children under 5 haven't been vaccinated. We have to stand up for people who are clinically extremely vulnerable. They still use transit. For elderly who are more at risk of COVID-19, and they're still using transit.
The health minister not revealing what's coming next.
I think what you're asking is for me to make tomorrow's announcement today.
Adrian Dix saying Public Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry will lay out where we are with crucial COVID markers, including hospitalizations.
We're going to continue to take steps to empower people to protect themselves and their families, and as well, in many cases, to continue to protect people from COVID-19.
That may mean keeping more safety requirements in healthcare settings while dropping them elsewhere, or like with masking on transit. Looking at other regions, mask mandates have lifted or are lifting, but still required on transit in Alberta, Ontario, Quebec, Washington, Oregon, and California. Saskatchewan and Manitoba no longer requiring masks on transit. And with vaccination passes, they're already over in many other provinces. They've ended in Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, and soon in Quebec. BC's vaccination pass expires the end of June, but Dr. Henry has said from the start that she will do away with it as soon as it's safe to do so. Many other restrictions put in place as the Omicron wave hit are set to expire March 16th. If masking on transit does continue here, De La Cruz knows that some will not be on board and won't mask up, but says some is better than none.
I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but there's a saying lately, you cannot make the perfect the enemy of the good. I've heard this a lot, and I believe the same thing applies here.
In Victoria, Lisa Yuzda, City News.